Good morning, guys. It's me again. Today I'm gonna cook pork with coconut milk. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, cubes, tenderloin. I use pork tenderloin. I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper, and then the coconut milk, and then green onions, garlic, ginger, and onions. I'm gonna fry the pork roll. Good guys, so that's it. We're gonna let it cook first. Cook already, guys. So I'm going to set aside this one first, okay? Okay, so we're gonna off the heat, and then we're gonna add the coconut milk. I'm gonna add hot water on this. Okay, and now we're gonna add the garlic, onions, spring onions, and the ginger. So we're gonna let it boil until the coconut milk boiled, and then we're gonna put the meat. It's already boiled, guys, so we're gonna add these cubes, and then it might become salty, so we add the meat, guys. Okay, okay, guys, and let's cover first simmer for how many minutes? Coconut milk mo reduce, so it's not so much anymore. Okay, so we're gonna cover it first and simmer para mo absorb ang coconut milk sa meat. Okay, already cooked, and okay, ni-absorb na ang coconut milk sa karni. Okay, so I'm going to taste it, this soup, or the liquid. Okay, it's better than that put salt because it's already salty. Okay, so let's off the heat, guys. So that's our pork with coconut milk. Okay, so let's taste this one, the smaller one. Okay. It's yummy, guys. So it's good also if you use belly, but I just use the tenderloin because it's very meaty. It's yummy. Okay, guys, so that's our pork with coconut milk is done. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.